Nimno. And I'm saying Minimno as I know him as in the MPP. The first time I'm in share face to face in person, it was 2024 elections campaign or by Juso. Meneno. Any the MP ni team or hon executives and any 2 and among a year campaign. That was the first time, but no crano. I don't think they didn't come here nanti a child. That was all.
Okay, so before you go on, what is the name of your research?
So this one we simply named it Academic Research by Dr. Evans Dua.
Academic Research by Dr. Evans Dua.
So that's how we put
okay.
it. I don't belong to any group or any association, and I say it that way. And what happens is that Ofa be honorable Kenohine Japona. The first time I'm menino Ushiame was Oba Amstead, and I'm saying this disclaimer because on say Adiebane in favor be more picking or maybe no master
sure.
So Oba Amstead, and I was a keynote speaker and in a picture near Vice Chancellor picture, Miss Me picture near. And I spoke at that event. And what I do is I make Kasawa events name in your video now. I share the 3-minute shots I share it online. And see what people picked and say, oh, me, Honorable Kennedy or Hine Japan Nipa. But that day was the first time or no cry no se me kasa.
Wow.
So what happened was that Obejina podium no wie and they all says, hey, now Sekai went to Pukuwari. And us, hey, now Prempeni no Cambro for Sanomina. And then we all laughed about it. Until we na Honorable Kennedy Japan catcher stickers. I need this gentleman in my team. Until they called upon me, said I really would want to think about it. So that is what led to the post. I have in Peniphobia, I don't want to mention their name. Sure. Me papa phobia more Dr. Mahmoud about Mia Camp beat me from 3-4 hours because they know what you are capable of doing. None of them want me to stay neutral. You have to be part of the team. So I have team A and specifically maybe an pressure and if we pay Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Okay, so all right, so thank you so much. And you know, young call our screens and also for the slices are there. Usha Dr. Evans Dua NPP presidential primaries, second public research. The first one on our own discuss.
No. First one actually. So what happened was that the first one is because of the 2 people reaching out. I mean their camp, not necessarily them. And what happened is that I did the first research with 8,000 sample size.
Okay.
That one I didn't publish it. That was when I saw a pattern. And the first one, Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan was leading. I didn't expect that personally.
Sure.
Until then, I showed it to one of the professors. He's actually a very top level professor. And I'm saying, no, you know something? Let's look at the methodology again. Then went through the random sample, looked at everything. I said, okay, do you know what we can do? You increase the sample size now.
Okay.
Now you fanko 10%, which is very significant. If the pattern continues, then it means that we need to watch. And we increased it to 20,000. To August post now made the bar and that one I brought it out.
Okay.
So that was the first one.
So with the August post, how did it look like in terms of percentage score for the candidates?
For the August, and I'll explain that when I'm comparing it with what is on the screen.
Yeah, me let's go screen also now. Yeah, quickly. Okay, so just scroll.
Just to explain the current one now, which is out there now, there are 2 documents I've shared with the public. This is the slides, which is good for presentation purposes.
That's fine.
And there's the other one which is detailed for reading.
Okay.
To be a person kind. And she said, this is just the introduction.
Move on.
But you'll then stay on the 3rd page.
Okay, that's fine. It's here for moment me akwa Facebook or
Okay. Into the data now we actually had as of 2023 there was a 204,893. Now 204,893, what you see is the total registered delegates or more to about 2023 registered delegates. Registered delegates. MPP head office recognizes a women what album. Album na can ye constituency by constituency. Every constituency or more compile album from Council of Elders, Council of Patrons, executives, coordinators, polling station level executives I honest so no you're breaking it down into muyina no opeke album now you would realize that album no there is something happening and album no the obehun say nipa ne picture ewo ho the tosumi no nipa no edin ewo ho the tosumi ensa ni phone number enso ewo ho no enti what we did ne say ye peke what we call quota sampling no I say proportional into the end say for constituency delegate size 1,400
okay
and you see a 10% a for coefficient of 10%, just an example
okay
into 1,400 no you be 140 delegates as sample baby a constituency no size near 400 no you be 40 Enti nipa 40 na baby omo 400 ye befre ana baby a omo ye 1,400 ye befre 140. The reason we do that is what we call we want the research to be representative of the larger population.
But question the listener would want to ask and say 1 year more free or no and they can more of Kennedy Japan supporters in terms of the delegates are more free.
So personally the first thing, and I think I showed it to your producer before we started. With this research, I put my personal assistant, the two MPhil students, final year students, me pay volunteers, me research. So I don't even choose the volunteers.
Okay,
the two, then they come. Some of them they have no idea about politics. They are not partisan people. And then the number 2 about it is that it will the supervisors be any politics. I'm talking about the professors and the lecturers who supervise the work. So this has nothing to do with politics. I, as a lead researcher, am an interested party, and I say an interested party because you have to bring out your biases. And the interested party, I'm MPP, which is the first bias. The etosumi I was doing the first research to make a decision. So I made join camp A and I made join camp B. That was why I did the research. I'm giving the motivation behind the research. Then OPK delegates now, we do not sample them. Say ya kwese way. Ofa abona yenim the Kennedy yenim and I memete. Honestly speaking, I don't have that data. To know so where you can now where you way. So what we do is just random sampling. So
this one random sampling.
Yes, random sampling.
Random sampling.
All the two are obet me my machine. Just 140 amount.
I understand.
Obet me that 140.
Okay, so let's go to the next slide.
Then Pacho hanu here. Ye free no and you be an and it's important because in data we have to represent as it is. Ye were non-response no ye 6,282 obi on my data now system no omo update even phone crisis omo until you were unavailable and unreachable and acquire ye no any until we know is just to explain that. We can
move go the next slide, Sarfo.
But I had met when I moved there. I had This is and Pacho. We also talk about biases.
Okay. But let's look at the methodology itself.
So Pacho, please.
The notes here.
Okay.
And uncle. Okay. Go with him. Let's look at the Uncle Kakra.
So open here methodology. This is fine. But even the methodology, here is more of a summary. Second document, it goes into details. But this is fine.
Okay.
So what we do is that we have strict research and ethical standards. What are the ethical standards here? First and foremost, interview no matter who will call us for evidence purpose and they say be credibility meet me the show.
Sure.
I mean to me informal. But obana sample na ye use ye na ushia me it say na me the actual producer no meet me the sample ni na actual. But I can't give it to you because it's not good for because it has to be in confidentiality.
All right.
So nipa no say na said ya me ko kan you to me di medin ko ekoma obi a asembeba enti for credibility and evidence enti no metumi achrewa ma wahu se na bia bo say enye data sebi enti mpacho producer no ene me bo me pick one of the researchers now. Na ma train sample de mano, and then audio recording say quality. Ma boni na anso amaneti. Wetie bebre, and this is meant for people to know. Say yes, sebi obi tina baby. Ana okuki bibi because esi wo politics. Ana
obi tina baby. Ana oma obibi, ema okuku bibi to favor him.
For assistance, no, there is nothing of that sort. And remember, say I am supposed to make a decision. That was my motivation.
Sure.
To me, but dada me fam, I can't do that.
Okay. Yanko the next slide. That's where the figures are.
Okay.
Yeah. Sarfo, the next slide, Mami. Why? Let's see.
Okay. Next one. Just.
Go up.
Okay.
Yeah. Go. So this is the no Debbie.
You're moving too fast.
Sarfo move too fast. I don't know how to speed.
Actually, the previous one.
But wait, if we follow the discussion on Facebook, maybe
next. Patrick Kostro.
The national baby could be or why national
could too fast.
Yeah.
Patrick Stay on.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine. So that's the national results. Worst case and best case. Now, worst case and best case, because I've seen the candidates listed there. Kennedy, Japan, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Dr. Brian Champon, Dr. Yao Edichum, Kwabena AJ Japan, and then we have the total worst case votes. And
into me running two models.
Okay.
Two model na me running the first model no your worst case, which is the realistic case in T. Say ne be am born it off and worst case no. Nipa ne say nti ebusa omo nsem for amiensa.
Okay, yes.
Ebusa omo nsem for amiensa. Questions, 3 questions. Number 1. 2023 primary sympacho oto waba ema hwan. Osemetuma ba ma candidate A.
Sure.
Na ya trato. 2026 January me pacho hwan na obeto waba de amano. Osemetuma ba ma candidate A na no so ya trato. Then ose A B a metuma ba ma candidate A and so mesesa madre metwa ma candidate B. Me pacho what ya say.
Yeah.
Na ho no eno so asesa kakra. So what happens is that in the worst case scenario, then the third question I'm patriobuso say, so what candidate now say 2026 will be to Obama no. Say why drink kosisa efa no ho.
Yeah.
Why amount 4 na kano and I'll be to Obama
amano.
Inti bofokasem the next best alternative.
Sure.
Inti patro oba best case scenario na you use 3 variables near deba. And in patro table ya in fact we no generate a lot of especially one camp in particular or more pick a total of 94% now hono.
Yeah.
And I know moka say it doesn't add up necessarily man but in patro document here dawa 94% on say asterisk edaso
94%
no worst case scenario
worst case
total na wo form no
a total okay that 94%. Yeah, me who say
asterisk na wo down the table na down note no and to ubon say or say the undecided and undisclosed responses no 6% and the bekasa 94 no emane 100%.
Okay.
And the table no mistake be anim. Just that the undecided and undisclosed which offer the main document now can we no na and on when you slides into you have to simplify it na visually simple into no money 100%. But over best case scenario no ye undecided and undisclosed film because we are assuming this disclaimer is this worst case scenario in there send your mokane pepepe na but the best case scenario is an extrapolation and basically an interpretation of 3 variables. 1 undecided and undisclosed and at the tossum inside the next best alternative. Now undecided and undisclosed, how do we do it? Yenya nkofuku say omo 5,000 just an example.
Yeah.
So see ye undecided and at 3,000 see undisclosed. We put that data together. Yes, I did that same 8,000. I'm another person from first person normal year. Yeah, more non so afraid. But non so ye no proportional. Until no so kofro mu we are. Na my third person afraid. Na my fourth. By the time you do fourth person, no, then nipa 5,000 and 3,000. A be amaye feedback. Say metwa my way. Nti based on that sample na ebenya free sa 8,000 even jema say nipa 2,000 afedi enya na say nipa 2,000 you say oh almost undecided ni undisclosed yes sa ko biem no say aha na ompeso moto ma ba yeden eko near the no ayesa projection no.
All right.
Nti ohwa from the projection no the worst case scenario Honorable Kennedy Japan ewo 44.11%. August no na onam 41% and we increase ya
44.11%,
which is about 3% increase for him.
Sure.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia August no nam
39.551.
No, August mekaba.
Okay.
No onam 39.09 ewo August.
Oh, okay.
By bar September no ko 39.51. To
right.
Also we increase kakra. From August no but ni increase no bro focus me can say marginal iswa kakra wakone nim but en wo form kakra and Honorable Kennedy Japan akone nim 3% ye pa
sure
but Dr. Brian Champon and ohwe August na no 8% but eba September no momentum ne so atakakra and oko region base now utumi hu say Eastern region ye di August by na Dr. Brian Champon na leadi Assad August. But Nancy O'Hare 15 MPs be declare no be Eastern region ho.
Yeah.
Amma ni vote no kakra ba from Anna Dr. Mahmoud Baumia vote no kakra so course.
Okay, so to fast track, you call best case votes now. Honorable Kennedy Japan 110
110,000. That's 53.8%.
Yeah. And Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, I was 5,996, and then the best case share, Ken 53.80, and then Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 32.21%. The change, people then.
Also, so we change now. But which me about next slide is visually to me boni pamotias. Next one.
Ko.
And the same the who was sure.
Yeah, that's
visually
right.
My present to her. But the main thing na man for busan say dena a best case scenario. Ubia dear costo ne Dr. Mahmoud Baumia nkwa de eba form because ohwe change na hu ya people no that's percentage point.
Sure.
Or no nkwa de negative. Me pacho yemfa say ti dem hey. Ye nipa 6 ne wo ha nipa 6 ye wo ha yemfa say yama ye nyina yemfa say bread yama nyina bread 2 loaves of bread obi ekute 2 ye nyina kabo ma be 12 but 12 ne yesi ye hwese kan ye mu bi no ye bitumi I increase ana me na me ambitious no me si 2 no me pe ba kwa kan ba me nya ba ko kan ho 3 no sebi obi die ba ko na be ba den beba be kamede ho nti obi de so betie free 2 akọ 1 na me de na ba miensa ye call best case scenario na mpacho enye best case scenario for the individual candidate a best case scenario for the contest ye hwe say the realistic one ye the actual figures no se obi betumi akọ nanim biem a ehfa na obetumi akọ akodru ho na realize say o peke nipa na o se me ebia doctor me metuma ba my candidate A, but my next one your candidate B. The moment your candidate B no A will ne candidate A so A luso. Inti no na explain here ha no say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was a flag by only 61%.
Sure.
Inti e basa na ono ne vote na omo maka no mo yeden omo twe vote ni free eno ntina e cheche.
All right, so you call the next slide, Sarfo. If I call the next slide now quickly now. Na I think it's a time no continue. Okay. Sarfo.
But scrolly. Hani na but obetumi akoda. Ko. Hani numbers but ko. You can stay on this one.
Regional level results.
Into far regional level now, for example, Ashanti region, Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan, Assad August, no lead, keenly contested. Atwasosa, Ofa Ahafo, Buno and Buno Easter. Net Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was taking a lead with these swing places. But Mienu Asreche about Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan, but Buno East is still staying with Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Buno East
is still staying with him. And then Oba Dawa, Ubonse Northeast.
Yeah.
Because it's no Utubi no stay that way Nenka easy. Inti Opeke, for example, Northeast Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is at 86%.
Sure.
Which is emphatic. Recently, most of the 5 northern regions, their statement concerning Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is emphatic. But they are Savannah, Uti, Bono East, Ahafo. Those are swing. These 5 regions be here to me see because they are keenly contested among the 2-horse race. Then about the other places, western, north, western region, and those places now, baby or moto ma back on from August to September and it's showing already. Until the best is say voter will be increasing and will be decreasing. And I say one particular thing. The delegates no more motion any miensa. Message candidates neka. The tosumi candidates na nkasa personality. Ana the toso miensa nipa umetwa ne ho ahia enti saa nyoma miensa we no say one hwe ya ye free be counterproductive. You can take a certain action expecting say a better results, but instead of better positive results na come out negative results. E bi ne didi atem ni din bonus saa nyoma no ye won krofuko bi on ma o mani nje saa nyoma no
sure
enti o fat that tangent na onim say o say obi ba o say obi na wo say wo ho enti these are things that has to be looked at.
All right, something Pacho Yankoso Yanko the next slide.
Enti this one is just the heat map.
Okay, that's the original balance. Yeah, Pacho Koso.
Enti basically that's the summary of it.
Okay. All right, so with all this and with the summary, then I'll be catch Ghana for in terms of who, as of now, and can net yet to and can win the flag bearership race.
I think Udin Prof has his own reason because question Abusane Mudo as at September. The idea being a snapshot. It's as at September. As at
that was
September now. No, actually, me boy about to say you're asking the right question.
Sure.
As at September, no, the worst case scenario, no, omu biya cross 50+1.
Omu biya
for the worst case scenario.
For the worst
which
case
is the realistic
the
scenario.
Realistic one.
Say year 2 ben na umbeko runoff. Say year 2 ban na necessary umbeko runoff. However, senior best case scenario now. Someone like Honorable Kennedy Japan, again 3%. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia again 0.3%.
Sure.
What it means is that omu to me again kakra towards that. But a best case scenario. Best case scenario now. The only one as September. The momentum one hono or you know who between winning a one touch was only Honorable Kennedy Japan. 53 for the best case scenario. So the 53 is the ceiling. Hona or you know who between akopim. But offer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, offer Dr. Brian Champion, Dr. Yao said the engineer Kwabneje Japan. None of them, according to the data we had, is capable of reaching 50% as of September, except Honorable Kennedy Japan. But say ne year 2 abano CCA, nese modi mobin konenima, there can be a probable runoff.
Really?
Yes.
This is interesting.
And one thing I'll just say is most of the polls are babonting aside media. Majority of them year 2,600, less than 3,000. In simple terms, none of them is doing even more than 2%. Only about 1%, 1 point something. This your first one was 10%. The second one is 12%. What it means is that in terms of significance, nipa oni nipa doma kasa, yeni nipa bibre ekasai esne die abeba bonteno.
All right, and Yeri and Commodore but with all this, I know, sir. I don't know when you are coming up with your next.
So the next one, just a metrema umina yetoni because we don't want a situation. As a mere example, Fabno East and a half. Honorable Kennedy Japan call from August assessor, but time and a post we about nothing. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so ewoho. You don't want situation. You have to measure impact of the people after Omakoho. Into around December, so we need to measure. Beko January. By second week of January, first week no second week we can't wait any longer. Until by that time, you bet check it. So Bia covered the majority of Ghana. Then we'll take that post, and that'll be the final one.
All right. So I don't know with the quality of the data that you used. I don't know within the regions were there disparities when it comes to the response rate.
So Oka said disparity. So this is the whole thing. Every single constituency. So this is how we did it. We picked the constituency by constituency, and I showed it to you, producer.
Sure.
Constituency BR I want a dynamics. So I'll give an example. There were two particular constituencies, two particular ones. One particular constituency, the Omuko Cha call a phone number, they got two constituency platform. So said this number is calling on post in Timamu answer. And answer one sakrana kase minim diametromano.
Oh.
And then we had to now deploy a different person T. And into Yeman say, we in a call ya, yesade nipa fofo. Yesade the third person, answer na fourth person before omu ABMO eneaka. Bako Ashanti region, Bako Greater Accra. Greater Accra, so we could chat the two or more platforms. Memma because as people listen, these constituencies know into Okanes or Otios and Tinayonko we mun to your platform, and this is for credibility reasons. Intina may cite some of these ones. No? So what I'm afraid of for the last post, they say, Osha first poll now here second poll now. We have to do more calls. Undecided, new undisclosed doors, and this is a free beam. Yes, a free beam. In order for them to tell us into December, any January, then Mishro Kakra, because elections ni ya benya. Ya ne omusro kakra say omube dan baby omo support ni di except omo ma committee omo ye campaign ama camp A and a camp B no de offer omo ana or candidate but omo ye in between omo yen decide no ya benya ya ne so but we'll still do our best to get the data we need to do the work we have to do.
All right. Obibeka say with the validation of the responses and also no. I don't know. How do you validate them?
No, it's very simple. We have a live dashboard, Excel dashboard.
Okay, that's
which media show BM, but I've shown it to you. Into what happens, nipa no efra no or their tum or fra no their tum, but we have quality assurance. Obibe to me ako frena ebi our type ubibi nipa into mistake to me ba.
Right.
So there is the voice recordings audio no for quality assurance. The supervisor no ETA voice recording, not their compare. And then that's the same thing we do for almost all research. Person or year quality assurance. Oje nyoma bakumieno. For example, SAF 6% here. It is actually deliberate namdesho. Odi shemu emanu hu se nipa ne kan ade na na se ofa ne trasa so okanya ombebusa sa question no se nipa na kan obaka so ade no cry it doesn't add up 94% and so but once a nipa na kokan no obehu say oh say 6% no aha ne she until what we do is say we had quality assurance we use the audio to check. And then we had times that we bring all of them together. But the person can do the work from wherever they are. Then they send the audios. Then we check.
I'm very much in the 6% undecided delegates. You know?
Yeah, undecided, undisclosed.
And undecided and undisclosed.
The actual figures now called the second reporter is all there.
So why were they not undisclosed?
Oh, the undisclosed in there, nipa no right and spirit. Make me afraid say, oh, better about my white train. Which me catch them so to me country. Miss you're right. Your vote, no, opa now bet me reveal. You say it hey. Busa say one out two about man 2024 elections here. Bet me aka. Maybe I would judgment no to me and danity. Until there are people who decide not to tell us.
Now maybe so. Who had this research? You know, did you look back? Were they any historical antecedents when it comes to the new patriotic parties, primary flag bearership race? Did you consult any historical antecedents with regards to that?
So it is very simple. When you are doing research, there's time frame for every research. So you do quickly your research objectives. Then I'm person me achieve.
Sure.
We dear me person me achieve ni se me person me hu baby a oto na abako, baby obeto na abako, and as a one to amoy obeko hefa. Now to look at the antecedents and stuff, I'm moving into analysis.
Okay.
And those analysis, we do them, and I've done them. Even I had to do an analysis on the data of the 2023 results. But those ones, they bar out for this one. Until what happens is you do those analysis because you want to understand the voting pattern. What is causing? Until you want to check the degree of change.
Right.
Until some of them, until I make Mama August this year,
right.
Mama said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia 61%, when you're 30-70. For example, offer the two candidates or head to head in 2023 now. Honorable Kennedy or Hine Japan, we need two regions.
Sure.
Volta and Central. And a greater crown in the
yeah,
that was 47-53. Now that three regions now or the other ones the Dr. Mamu 37, and there is what we call population density. Into analysis of the data, which previously I spoke to it even with this Mekaka crowd.
Right. Well, Dr. Dua, you better say for the opportunity that you've granted us today to have this communication with you. But before we let go of you, we are establishing on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country say you can say you too abado as at the time our year research now there will be a runoff.
Yes, as of September for the worst case scenario, yes, it will be across 50. However, the risks according to the best case scenario, because in Tia Kasan say we still had undecided or undisclosed, and that undecided is 6%. And so that 6%, no. Ebeka ubi dia hua itumi manipa ni twem.
Good.
Enti what it means is that as at September no only one person and utumi cross 50+1. That's what you have to establish. Okay, say a runoff, then it doesn't capture the two models because we went in to bring the undecided and undisclosed the next best alternative. So as at September, only one candidate among the five, which is Honorable Kennedy or Hine Japan, and itumi cross 50+1.
But with no specific percentage.
The percentage for the best case scenario is 53%, which is there. It's captured. As of September, it's already captured. Until what it means is that say undecided, new undisclosed for no, any next best alternative for no, a decided September now. One candidate per annum or hit say 50+1, which is 53%. So we can't say there is going to be a runoff for just this because there are people who data near and family account. Because it's either undecided or undisclosed. And a what next best alternative, which is a third variable. And none a analyze it by doing this. Because you see, somebody or post Anna or TV's no status say undecided and undisclosed for no umina support be Honorable Kennedy or Hine Japan. That's exactly what the person said on TV. And also most of them support and one talk can say me, I didn't want to do that. You're undecided, you're undisclosed. What do? I put that data again. Na yema different people from omo friend and sanko from obium. Bia and common on any D ain't no cars and mean to mean control. But on any kasa in a way or better send our Becca. Intinia Samu Makobium. Near my third person, near my fourth person, yen no say was 6,000 and no money margins on Becatria, name 2,000 a Becatria. So 2,000 no. It is enough sample size data for us to extrapolate to 6,000 we no. I had no more Adrian day.
Okay, so how does your pool compares to that of Musa Dankwa, Global Info Analytics, and then Sanity Africa?
So for first and foremost, the two Nampacha one mentioned, I personally don't know. I don't have any you with them.
Okay, that's fine.
But what happens here is that what I can say is that the last time Musa Dankwa posed bar out, or same sample size was 2,600 if I'm not wrong. That's what he quoted. And he said, me check it or no dear, for example, then it means that he's not doing more than 1.something% of the population size. And in terms of significance, no, ours is 10% for August, 12%. So definitely we have gone more about that one. Number two, Ufa say
Sanity Africa.
So Sanity Africa, I've looked at it, but omo methodology ni omo.
Okay.
But omonsono they gave a sample size and also I didn't see sample size, but you could see so both of them have done their work.
All right.
And the work they've done, no, what I can see from both sides, they say it depends on the sampling now, and how it was done. But as far as I'm concerned, Musa Dankwa's prediction be Abem. Sanity African so predictions will be Abem.
So
So I focused on this one. Until where I would say, I think both of them are doing their work, but as far as my research is concerned, I have been able to cover more than any of these two people.
All right.
For that reason, I can confidently say my research is more significant and closer to reality than any else.
All right. Dr. Evans Dankwa, dear, I beg your pardon. We want to say, very grateful this afternoon for your time. But I would love to have more of you.
Thank you so much.
On the show. You're a great guy, I must admit. Then the second part of the show would be on.
To me, Chenyaoba, any petchemo, and not your bed action. Now, so, ubit me up one of manina pomodin free more frasi. Yam vita, the milk pop peppy, minutrivi, aye, ye, unquada, etiania, aye, day, na, and modia, a woman of one of frapomodin. Anio, in penny for swinging, chopa. Mawobano apomodin, free more frasi. Yam vita, go on, do pray. Yam vita, a delicious way to grow. FDA, aji, a jedi in kratoyatum.
Techimano Fue, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuniama Punning in Answabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front Kumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma sorry dino, and that's a backsword Nidia Nimshe.
Roberto Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more papa kahunina. Now when in Bribi, Edicam for Baku 50, Ebenya 15% discount. And ya chedie, it's a rabbit idea. Kahuna, say now.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu uje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and the best on ya no masa de machine account. Eya sabia yare bia wutimi de kone mama dear pakua woma gidi wo mu pa no. Eya sciatica and a stroke nso de kwa. Diabetes ne hypertension ni ade ni ade. Ghana ha bia wo mu ho. Enkran ha. Se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran eba. Ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a. Wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, one way sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yanum sani afadwen. Ne afadwen ampa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esina nanom dudo so. Say de na dudo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no. Sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no. Ema immune support enti obi onum bie no. Abrebia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yinso yaye no sensuo krokrowa kama enti baabi a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankafi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 menya hoodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no T74 ahoodin ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baabi eto nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone free 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadie nkratoi atom
Abushafo SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Kaise Emaketiapa. Now today in studio, Holali member NDC National Communication Team. And then we have for the new Patriotic Party, Benjamin Asari, youth organizer, Kubo constituency, also seated here. And again, my good brother, my son, who's now become more of me, Emmanuel Dako, lecturer UPSA. Hey, now Ben, why so?
Majiso.
No, just say.
Semen de no want.
Debbie, me yeja because my son. Era musumiti ye.
Ela musumisi ye nua prof.
Ah. Oh, Ben.
Yeah, Ben, no cry, auntie.
But
the weekend to say.
Oh, yeah, me.
Bibia Koso Kama.
Oh, but
I sorry, some Koso Kama.
I sorry, the man, quite sorry.
One crop, but you've been making a man away.
Dog is Eka.
We get wrong, so I don't have to.
I was done on the car. That may meet in here. Orlando Becca. Meet in your Becca. So I'm quite sorry. Hey, Muslim.
Yeah, Holali. Oh, your church choir. Oh, presby. Oh, some more organ. And you may be and
you mean so.
Well, I was shadow.
I was also a presby.
Ah,
yeah, who is you?
You're anyway.
You got also a Presbyterian. Let's be a presby. It's in the house. Oh, we can make sorry.
Oh, sir, that's good.
Make sorry.
Now, why did you deceive the listeners earlier? Say one.
Oh, when you deceive. When you mean deceive will be.
Let
me say you didn't come okay. Let me say one from him. It's the weekend. Come on, let me be a cost of come.
Now, say minim say OSP Attorney General who come about to dry over the extradition of the former finance minister. We blame me. Dr. Dako, Mr. Dr. Dako, very soon we'll be your PhD. Unsabeka. Dako, what do you know about this issue?
Prof, did you mention and mention it for near before? Now we say, me bano me frɛ openyi bi. Na sa was winning mo pa. Na I was calling him on a different matter.
Yeah.
And also, no pay me who you Prof Abotchie flyer.
Yeah.
Me offer a friend of Dennis Owusu.
The name
National Teaching Council.
They know. Oh, my bro. Also, Tabu. Bunu is regional. Also, he's also the public relations officer for MTC. And you know, it's or workshops. Now, or a bad man.
Me offer him pono no.
Who offer no?
Me offer no. Na me sign in the school. Hey, akoko na me me offer class.
That is wherever you are taking a listen to the show. We want to say good afternoon. Yeah.
They told me no osono bi so chia.
Why no? Osono
bi oso chia.
Osono your bow. Me interested.
Oso chia.
Osono many.
Your friend cookie. Na we say nyuntuni bi bɔ no mo se ha ye kwan ho mintimi nka ni nyina nti oso chia oso me ba me ncha ma no otie from Madina Estate nti eno sa do no prof ye fa nu twam
mate me that same
obekaya the first time I me ba fidiem ha na OSP ene Ken Oforiata issue ena na ye ka ho asem na abra me ba na me ka se ohwe enkomo bebre na ekoso na ekame ay say OSP no oye hwehwani mu kakra because emra kwan so no argument are then na me reason say ye ka say invite obi emra wani because OSP na emra na man ho kwan say obeto nsafre obi na wahwehwe ni nsemu. Now the question I was trying to ask when I first appeared, they say 2025 no see ye kase to nsafre obi na ne ntwetwe nkoma e tintine atwan se nipa ne beba be pie wani mana ana say ye wo other avenues a ebetimi aboa amwatimi ne nipa no atwetwe nkomo ebi ni say Dr. Dua ye ni di nkomo sesi ayi na oche ekwan a ofa so ye ni interview no wan ko nipa nanim na oni omko interview.
Okay, before that, and I want you to take a listen to the Deputy Attorney General Streams right. Yeah, I want you to take a listen to him.
Mr. Ken Oforiata is a subject of a number of criminal investigations, right? I think the one that is popular is the one that the OSP is conducting. And also, that is the one that we are made to believe is in an advanced stage where extradition will be required. And indeed, the OSP has already put the person on red alerts, Interpol red alerts. What it means is that it's a notice to the whole world that this person is a wanted man. But the Interpol alert is not an extradition, procedure. So if we really want the person to come, we need to make an extradition request to where we believe he is, which is the US. Now, this is what's, and listen to me carefully on this. We are the only authority, that's the Attorney General Office, we are the only authority that can make extradition. But we need a docket from, an investigative docket from the OSP to be able to make these extradition requests. As of today, we still do not have a docket from the OSP. We have made several requests to the OSP, written letters, written demands to the OSP, asking that now that you've announced to the world that you are ready to have this person extradited, and there have been communication to that effect that even we've seen communication to the effect that the docket is ready and it's only the Attorney General that can make the. So we have been asking for the docket for a couple of, I think about 2 months now. We still do not have the dockets from the OSP. And so without the dockets, you cannot go to the American authorities and say, this is the person we want him. No, you need to show, because when they are asking for people to be extradited to the United States, they bring the full docket of, as if they are going to court. And then we take that docket to court for the court to see whether there's really merit for, bringing the person down. We have to do the same thing. We also have to take a full docket of all the evidence and what we believe the law, and then we take it to the United States authorities, and they will process the extradition and bring it.
Abusafo aye nipa hotel and kan no aye stream shy woro ene deputy attorney general say wachire mu adukudem tia ye papa Ken Oforiata yentimi nko yi ni free US enfana emba Ghana so mo nyina no or the border OSP nkrata bia wo say wo mo de edikoma attorney general ani aban na ebo mo no mo di sa adwuma no san nkrata no o mo nsa nyankan ye san nkrata ro mo sakade ya and they almost juma one way dinner. I don't know. So you now will keep you for OSP, no? Yeah, Prof. Na me can kusi say so what kaya first time I me bahani me ka say the OSP no ene hwehwe ni mu on 2 grounds. Say emra no ma wo ho kwan say we ye hwehwe mu na obi a wo hia ni bia wo to nsafre na e wo se oba. Na obe kaya me kai a portion of the you can say article na the set OSP no. Emoka says OSP ni every obia the person must appear. And I make me bisa question is say in 2025 appearance no is it face to face and not in person? And I see a bit me afa kwan foforo bi nso e de ama obi appear. And I made other articles be some laws be regulations allow for say ye be di obi anu disem ewo intention video so say a phone call and I say video conferencing because at the time no yet I say Ken Oforiata na oni Ghana ha say and the nipa no so ye hia no age ensem bi afin ho OSB na ohia Ken Oforiata say obeti na to mu na ohia na no disem say obedi atro na odi aka ne docket on de na court emran so ma obi akwan say investigators everywhere opa na kasa opa won kasa true or false. So why was OSP so bent on the tangent say tintine twan ade Oforiata eba krom ha me kan say na ehwehwe ni mu na ye mankanfo na wo bo no enti no me de manu si o first time na me buy me yes her prediction say ya na bekọ dia afeni bekọ awie na ye da so sa o sa ade we hu na Ken Oforiata onyamba krom ha e ma de ye hwehwe afeni ho no ye sankan. Now that is the first part. Now the second part wa boni sisia ya deputy attorney general na eka no. Me nso me hunu from a communication perspective, and it is not any friend say ono na bia menyini ni ana say, but as obi amusua communication me hunu say e agenda bi na wo sete. Na se de me hunu sa na tie dia enche anhua na OSP akwaja electoral commissioner. Asamena I forecasting say from the mahuno said the meeting sem na work no say the news no sa na beba mu a prof OSP the kwaja electoral commission because what can I say one make several requests to the OSP atron krata akwakoba no the demands are mano asking that now you have announced to the world that you are ready to have this person extradited. We still don't have the document or the docket from the OSP.
Yes.
Prof. So is that supposed to mean that one person which say the OSP is trying to cover up something, or now onye so well prepared for this process to end?
May see forecast it. Say as obi a musua communication, na me share communication. You will be a friend agenda setting. Say nyema mehu ne kakra matin say sa na be dia OSP obekọ eja electoral commissioner.
Enti agenda setting na wo ka no. Ena wo ka no.
Ya set agenda. Say you can say no.
Why mo no ma set agenda?
Oh, deputy AG.
And two patches say abina set agenda against the OSP.
Ente nkomo beba na ho. Yeti kroma. Ente amanfo be so ya ka say o ene yentu no ene yempam no ene yenhwa na se akonwa. Ni nyina be kwa akoba say kamia ye say oni Kufuriata ni MPP for edampam na omo daada ya say adanko daada do ya grobi na. Why to say the woman ni abrese obete se bia kromfo so oni akrofo dampam. Me kan de akosi say before abanya so obi so na wage to me no right